Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Google app or using Google Photos, then grant camera access so Lens can read images. Once done, open the Google app and tap the Lens icon in the search bar. Make sure you're signed in to save results. If you already have a photo, open Google Photos and tap the Lens button on that image. These steps prepare the phone and give Lens permission to analyze visuals so it can identify objects, text, or translate in real time. Now aim the camera at your subject and tap to focus. This improves accuracy. Once Lens analyzes, choose a mode like text to copy or translate to read foreign words. Switch modes if the first result isn't what you need. Make sure to crop tightly around the area of interest and tap suggested result cards to act, copy, open a web page, or search similar images. If low light causes errors, toggle flash. If busy backgrounds confuse Lens, isolate the item and rescan for cleaner results. Finish by acting on Lens results. Copy text to paste into forms, add detected contact info, or tap shopping links to compare prices. Once you're done, save useful images to Google Photos or share results through the iPhone share sheet so you can reference them later. If Lens fails, make sure the Google app is updated, confirm camera permissions, restart the app, and retry in brighter, less cluttered conditions. This fixes most recognized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.